Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing windshield wiper replacement. So on this car, Nissan Sentra, you need a 28 for the driver's side and a 15 for the passenger side. So these are actually very simple to do. And most cars are gonna be the same way. Turns in. Make sure you take these off. So to take them off, it's actually pretty simple. Just a little knob here. Just pull it up and then pull the wiper down. And basically that's it. That's how it comes off. Now, on the new one, they come with different clips. Okay? So, as you can see right here, they want to slide that in there. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay? So that's up. 28, so you can see it's the same. Same thing on the other side. So most cars, like I said, are going to be the same. Some cars do have a little bit. You'll have a different kind of system where you will have to replace these. But the most common one is going to be this one that comes with it already. And same thing here. So pull that knob up and just squeeze it out. Put back in. Just slides in. And that's it. That's all there is to it.